Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you create group chat on iPhone. So guys, to create group chat on iPhone, at first you need to go to settings. After that, scroll down and go to messages. After that, here you can see iMessage option. You need to just turn this option on. Now after that, go back and go to your message. In the top right here you can see there is a edit icon. Click on it. Now in the two option you need to just add the people who you want to be in the group. Now after selecting the peoples, here you can see text message option. If you click on text message, you need to just text the message, and in the right side here you can see there is a green arrow icon. If you click on it, the message will be sent and the group will be created. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.